never guess the places that I've been. You never guess the places that I've been. 'Cause everything is a dream, yeah, but only in that dream that I live in. I'm never gonna let the day begin. Never gonna let the day begin. 'Cause everything is like a dream, yeah, but only in that dream that I live in. Oh, don't wake me up before you go, and I'll just make this band my home. Oh,
Alright, made it to Jamestown, North Dakota. Just dropped this grain trailer. Now we are heading to Miles City, Montana to grab wind turbine parts. So just like a flatbed or a step deck. And that's going back to Fargo. So that's paying $2,700. Not bad. But yeah, we'll start heading to Miles City and get that picked up and keep her going. Boy shouldn't be sleeping right now. Come on now, bull haulers. We don't got time to sleep. Alright, so we called it a night after driving a couple hours after picking up this trailer at the wind site just north of Miles City. But yeah, this is going to Fargo if I didn't already say, and just all night. It's a pretty cool spot. It's like the Badlands of North Dakota. Yeah, if you guys ever come through North Dakota on 94, it's a cool area to check out. And there'll be some like more hills and whatnot, you know, as you get in there, as you guys can see, but I'll try to record a little bit. Here we go. Definitely not a bad looking boat though. Oh, trio axle, 2, step deck. Doesn't even weigh that much. I'd say like maybe 40,000 pounds. Not too shabby. It's freaking cold. It's like 40 degrees. It's cold. Already messed up. foggy. Well, since we got up a little earlier than expected, let's go take a little jaunder. Check out this view. Yeah, and I'm sorry guys for not really talking into the camera as much, but you know, it's just gonna take time. I did take a break for a whole year, so I'm gonna try my best to get back into it. Pretty cool view. Let's see the bison though. Can you believe that this is in North Dakota?
Cold coffee, my old boots are by the door. Nobody's calling, but I don't mind it anymore. 'Cause I've had enough of the rat race, the city life, the social grace. Burnt out on confidence, so tired of keeping score.
So yeah, if you guys are on 94, kind of by the Montana border, North Dakota border, on the west side, I would definitely check it out. Take a peek. It's worth it. Still pretty clean. The trailer is definitely dirty. Alright, well, we're here in Fargo, drop spot. So now we're gonna go really 6 minutes down the road and pick up the trailer there, bring that to Minneapolis. Only like 250 miles, and we're gonna get $750 for that, so not bad. And then possibly take a load from Shakopee, Minnesota to Laredo for $38. So I think I'm getting a sweet deal, you know, going 5 minutes down the road from where I dropped my last power only. And then this is what I get. Freaking 7-up trailer. Thing's not even as long as my truck. And to top it off, she's real close. I don't know if we'll be able to take her, but we're gonna give her a try. So the guy's gonna come back and he's gonna spot me and see if he'll make her work. And thankfully it's only going a few hundred miles to Minneapolis, so I'm sure she'll work. Well guys, she's gonna work. Definitely the smallest trailer I've ever hauled, but hey, $750 is $750. And it gets me that much closer to my next load I'm gonna take, which is a lowboy trailer going to Loretto. So then that will set me up to get to New Orleans by Monday. Here we go. Really cool dude. His name's Jason. Wait a minute. Got the dual sticks. Sounds cool. Vehicles on there. So now we are heading to Laredo. So take us a couple days to get there and get this dropped and head to New Orleans.